Hi, I'm Don from DonDronesOn. April 21st, and it's snowing? This is insane. But at least it's a good chance to check out how the Starlink dish is doing with snow, if it's melting off or anything else. We've had about, maybe I'd say an inch. I'll show you some shots in a second. It looks pretty in the trees, but let me see if I can get that to go up there. There's some trees. Yeah. Looks pretty in the trees, but I'll have to say I've never seen the boat with snow on it before, so it's kind of crazy. My poor hostas are trying their best to come out of the ground, but they're getting frozen. Yeah, looks like a little over an inch of snow, and it's still coming down. The dish. Well, can't see the top of it, but we'll see in a second. I'm popping the drone up. I've got a drip loop behind the hose reel box, nice and neat, and I've protected the low part of the cable from the local bunnies with a large rock. Up the wall, I've secured the downlink cable with some simple tap-in cable clips and painted the whole thing the same color as the siding. My wife was pretty impressed. I've also got a drip loop up here at the top. And here's the dish. Sorry, the glare is pretty bad, but hopefully you can see that there is no snow on the top surface of the dish, just weird lines of water droplets. So clearly the heat that the dish produces is enough to melt off at least 1 or 2 inches of snow like we've had today, at about -5 Celsius temperatures. I didn't notice any particular difference in the Starlink performance while it was snowing. I'm still getting the usual number of short obstruction or beta outages, which are very annoying during work calls, I'll tell you. And the speed was, well, maybe a bit lower than usual and pretty variable, as you can see from these speed test results that were taken one right after the other. All in all, though, I would say this snowfall had no effect at all on the Starlink performance. Well, there we have it. April 21st in Canada. This is insane.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas.